Do you know some children who want to try embroidery? Well, today I have a perfect project to get them started. Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, embroidery, and embroidery. So if you have kids who've never done any kind of stitching and they're interested in getting started, then this project is perfect for them. I recommend doing stitching on a card. Now this is cardstock and it's been turned into a greeting card, so you can easily make a greeting card. So that is fun to be able to send to somebody, but you could also just take this paper and frame it or just display it as a piece of art. Now this embroidery is based on a circle, and if you click the link below, I do have a full tutorial for how to do this stitching. But basically the way it works is you take your card and then you punch the holes in it and then you stitch through those holes. So you can use any kind of card or cardstock that you have, and you can use any kind of thread that you have. So you could use embroidery floss, you could use pearl cotton, but you could also just use crochet cotton. So if you have a bunch of kids, you could just get a big ball of crochet cotton and that would be enough to make many of these cards. This one I used variegated thread, so that gives some really fun effects, but of course you can do this in any color combination that you want. So this is a good project for kids because it's pretty simple. The holes are punched already in the card, so they're not trying to find their place, and you're not stabbing through fabric, and so a sharp needle isn't required. And in fact, I do recommend a dull tip needle for this project. So that is a little bit of safety, but also it's really flexible. In the tutorial, I show that once you do your first stitch, everything else is based around that stitch, and so they can be creative and make projects that are different from each other using the same template. This project is also pretty quick to do. The whole thing start to finish is less than an hour, and with older kids maybe even less than half an hour. And so it's something that kids, you could do a little bit of it, put it away and come back to it, but they often can finish the whole thing in one setting. There's no special skills that are needed. So it's something that kids can finish. It's not something that's going to be a 5-day project. This is also a pretty fun design, especially when you start playing with different thread colors. You can really have fun with it, and it is nice to display. And if you want another variation, you could even take this same design, you could enlarge it, and you could do it on an art canvas. So this is just a framed canvas piece that I got at the dollar store, and you can see I just enlarged the circle, and so I did a similar thing. So this is a really nice piece of art that you could do. The child could hang in their room, or they could give as a gift to somebody. So I have another video tutorial that gives some little tips for dealing with the canvas, but this is another super fun project. So whether you have one child who is off of school and they're looking for an activity to stay busy, or if you have a group of children, like if you have a Girl Guides or a Scouts group, this is also a great project for them. So to get more information and to see all the details of how to do it, you can click the link below to see the full tutorial. But if you're trying to keep kids busy and get them interested in hand stitching, this is a perfect project. For more embroidery inspiration, you can check out my website, epidastudio.com.